He's like, do I have 4 hands? Why do my bottom hands look different than my top hands? I don't understand. I can't figure out how to make them work like my top hands. Are they broken? And why are my bottom hands so ticklish? Don't do it, Annie. You look like you're about to stick it in your mouth. Don't do it. Almost. Well, one thing's for sure. You found your feet. For some reason, I think you're going to manage to get them up to your mouth by the end of the day. Yeah.